Hello, I'm Swetha Gunda of Batch 30. I'm currently pursuing second year PGDM at VJIM. I've selected finance and marketing as my specializations. I'm happy to share that I've interned for 2 months at Pristine Property Management. It's basically a service company which is into integrated facility management services. I've gained some hands-on experience in the areas of finance and business development. I've also went on-field and inspected there. Since I've come from a diverse background, VJIM's foundation course helped me a lot in understanding the basics of finance. I'm also happy to share that I've recently placed with Deloitte. I'm thankful and grateful for what I've done at VJIM, and I'm also thankful to my faculty here, my parents and my family, my friends for their unwavering support. Thank you, VJIM.